Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to answer a question that's been swimming around for ages. Do lobsters really feel pain? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what pain actually is. In humans and many animals, pain is a response from the nervous system to something harmful. It's like an alarm system that tells us to avoid danger. But what about lobsters? Do they have this alarm system? Lobsters have a very different nervous system compared to us. They have a decentralized nervous system, meaning they don't have a brain like ours. Instead, they have clusters of nerve cells called ganglia. These ganglia control different parts of their body. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some scientists argue that because lobsters lack a centralized brain, they cannot experience pain the way humans do. They may react to harmful stimuli, but it's more like a reflex than an actual feeling of pain. Think about when your knee jerks after the doctor taps it. It's an automatic response. But not everyone agrees. Other researchers believe that lobsters do feel pain, just differently. A study in 2013 found that crabs, which are close relatives of lobsters, show signs of pain. They avoided areas where they had previously been given electric shocks. This kind of behavior suggests they remember the pain and try to avoid it. And what about lobsters themselves? More research is needed, but some studies hint that lobsters might also avoid harmful situations after being exposed to them. This could indicate they do feel something akin to pain. However, because their nervous system is so different from ours, it's tough to say for sure. So, what's the takeaway? While we don't have a definitive answer yet, it's clear that lobsters respond to harmful stimuli in some way. Whether this response is true pain or just a reflex is still up for debate. It's a fascinating topic that reminds us how complex and varied life on Earth really is. Next time you're at the seafood market or enjoying a lobster dinner, you might find yourself thinking about this underwater mystery. And who knows, maybe future research will finally crack the case. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science explorations. See you in the next video.